Hello, blooming dear kids, students, learners, and friends. Good morning, dear. Now, you are most welcome to this channel. It is me. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the sound of vowels. Next sound, double A. Double A. This is now sound symbol. Double A sound symbol. Long vowel sound E. E-A. Sound symbol. This is a sound symbol. And pronunciation of this one is A. Long vowel. Long sound. Again, E-A, sound here, symbol, sound symbol, E. Okay, dear, words have been given here, written here on the board, and I would like to spell out every word. Okay, dear, let us enjoy. B-double-E, B. F-double-E, Fee. S-double-E, C. J-double-E-P, Jeep. S-H-double-E-P, sheep. W-double-E-P, weep. Okay, dear, double E. Next, E-A. E-A, vowel letter E-A, but sound remains the same. E, long. B-A-T, beat. M-E-A-T, meet. H-E-A-T, heat. B-E-A-K, beak. W-E-A-K, weak. L-E-A-K, leak. Okay, dear. Now, next comes E-A. E-A. It is also a long vowel sound. E. P-E-A, P. S-E-A, C. T-E-A, T. Here, dear, you see now this double E or E-A or E-A. Here now long vowel sound E. In these words you have seen, dear. Now, okay, dear, try to learn these things, dear children, dear kids. Enjoy. Wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.